Hi, John Driebe here with the ForAnyAuto Group. Our country's current situation is a difficult one, and I hope you and your families are staying healthy and well. I wanted to take this time to let you know that we are doing our part to ensure every one of our clients and team members stays safe during this time. We are taking many precautions, including the enforcement of social distancing at the dealership, adding additional cleaning and sanitization processes to keep everyone as safe and as germ-free as possible. We have reduced our team members to limit the number of people handling any vehicle in service, parts, or sales. Each vehicle that we touch will be appropriately cleaned and sanitized before and after any interaction. In addition to these measures, we are currently offering pickup and delivery for service and at-home test drives and deliveries for sales. Please just call us to schedule your appointment. We want you to know that we are here for you at the ForAnyAuto Group and all of your transportation needs during this unprecedented time. Stay well, be safe, and as always, thank you for allowing us the opportunity to be of service to you. For over 20 years, we've said expect more, and now more than ever, you can count on it.